Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today's video is all about the beautiful dark skies that you get in Namibia. I was there in August of 2022 and it was just absolutely fantastic. One of the darkest skies, no moon, and the ability to see more stars than I have ever seen before. I want to share 4 images and 1 time lapse with you, and also to let you know about 2 photo safaris that I will be doing in 2023, one to Tanzania and one to Namibia. And I would absolutely love it if some of you could come along with me and really enjoy the wildlife, the landscapes, and the absolute beauty of the Namibian nights. So with that, let me share the first image. So this first image is an image that I captured on the road to Kolmanskop, which is a ghost town in Namibia, and it was an old mining town. And that's a place where you can get some exceptional night skies, because basically all in Namibia is Bortle 2 or better. So clearly, the skies are absolutely phenomenal. And we were there when there was practically no moon, so that made it even darker and an exceptional set of evenings. The next image is an image from the actual ghost town of Kolmanskop, and there's a little variation as far as the color temperature is concerned. And this was, again, a really wonderful, night sky to take advantage of. The next one is from Quiver Tree Forest. This was actually our first evening in Namibia, and we were in the Quiver Tree Forest and actually got lost. Didn't have our GPS coordinates quite right, and we were in the forest looking for a way to get back to our lodge. But it was an interesting evening, and this is the night sky from there. And this final image is taken basically with my camera pointed straight up. All of the images are, either single images or stacked images, and then combined using Starry Landscape Stacker. I use a Mac, so Starry Landscape Stacker works really well. Let me tell you about my 2 photo safaris. They both are in September, back to back. The first one is in Tanzania, and it's 10 days. It's purely wildlife. We'll be visiting 3 to 4 camps, and one of the things that I like to do is to make sure that all the participants get a full row to themselves, so they're not shooting over other people. So in each vehicle, you just have one person per row, and that's really the intent. And Tanzania is a fully covered photo safari. Once you get there, you're taken care of as far as transportation, lodging, food, etc. The next one, which follows Tanzania, is my Namibia photo safari. Now this is a self-drive where, again, it's just 2 people per vehicle. So again, front row you have access on both sides, back row you have access on both sides. But in this one you will be driving yourself, and we'll be in a caravan going from one location to the other. And here again, all your lodging is covered. A number of dinners are covered, breakfasts are all covered. You may have to sort of arrange for your own lunches if you want, and some dinners. But in the most part, all your travel and your lodging is fully covered. So get onto my website, check it out. All the details as far as the itinerary are concerned are all there. And I look forward to having some of you join us on this. The Tanzania trip has space for 2 more people, and the Namibia trip has space for 4 more people at this juncture. And then this final time lapse. This was 500 plus images captured and then put together using a piece of software called LRTimelapse, which I think, in my opinion, at least, is the best software to assemble your time lapse. It works in conjunction with Lightroom, so if you don't have Lightroom, LRTimelapse is not going to be the ideal solution for you. But if you do have Lightroom, do consider using LRTimelapse. And as far as the actual assembly and the way I've created it, if you are interested and if you would like to know more about it, leave a set of comments below. Let me know that you're interested, and I'll do another video basically to show how to photograph and then bring those images into LRTimelapse and create the video from there. Also, if you have liked what you've seen, you enjoy these kind of videos, do please subscribe, hit the like button, and do leave your comments below. I really appreciate those. And with that, here's the time lapse. So thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed this. And as I said, if you have enjoyed it, please leave me a thumbs up, and do please subscribe. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye for now.